Electronic and the ultrasound blood flow measurement. Electronic blood flow meters and flow probes are used to measure blood flow in blood vessels through the circulatory system. The principle of electronic blood flow meters is voltage induced in the moving blood column is measured with stationary electrodes located on opposite sides of the blood vessel and perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. Ultrasonic flow meters, which are a type of volumetric flow meter, are non-intrusive flow sensors that use acoustic vibrations to measure the flow rate of a liquid. There are two types in ultrasonic blood flow meters. One is Doppler and another one is transit time. This is the working principle of the ultrasonic blood flow meters. This is signal conditioning unit, the blood it's coming, and coil excitation unit is connected to the other end of the flow meter. Once it is processed here, it is interfaced to the IDO interface and the user interface. Now coming to the chopper amplifier, for the lowest offset and the drift performance, chopper stabilized auto zero amplifiers may be the only solution. When the switches are in the zero position, that is Z position, capacitors C2 and C3 are charged to the amplifier input and the output offset voltage respectively. When the switches are in the S sample position, VIN is voltage input is collected to V out, that is voltage output, through the path comprised of R1, R2, C1, amplifier C3 and the R3. The chopping frequency is usually between a few hundred Hz and several kilohertz. And it should be noted that because this is a sampling system, the frequency must be much less than one half of the chopping frequency in order to prevent errors due to aliasing. The R1-C1 combination serves as an anti-aliasing filter. It is also assumed that after a steady state condition is reached, there is only a minimal amount of charge transferred during the switching cycles. The output capacitor C4 and the load RL must be chosen such that there is a minimal V output drop during the auto zero. This is the basic circuit diagram of the classic chopper amplifier. The chopper amplifier find applications in the medical field in amplification of small signals of a few microvolts. Such order of amplitudes are obtainable from transducers such as strain gauge, pressure transducer, temperature sensors such as thermistors, and strain gauge myographs when they are used as arms of a Wheatstone bridge. A chopper amplifier also suitable with the thermocouples. Now coming to the biochemical sensors are pH, PO2 and the PCO2. The pH value and measurement. The most important indicator of chemical balance in the body is the pH of the blood and the other fluids. The pH is a measure of the acid-base balance of a fluid. A neutral solution, neither base or this is the logarithmic equation of a pH value and measurement. It is to the logarithmic power of 1 by hydrogen ions. A neutral solution, neither base or acid, has a pH value of 7. Lower pH value indicates acidity, whereas higher pH value defines a basic solution. Most human body fluids are slightly basic. The pH of normal arterial blood ranges between 7.38 and 7.42. The pH of our venous blood, that is 7.35, because of the adding of extra CO2. The pH is directly related to the hydrogen ions concentration in a fluid. Working principles. In the measurement of pH, in fact, any electrochemical measurement, each of the two electrodes required to obtain the measurement is called a half cell. The electrode potential for a half cell is sometimes called the half cell potential. For pH measurement, the glass electrode with the silver chloride electrode inside the bulb is considered as one half cell, while the calomel reference electrode constitutes the other half cell.